Got the sniffles? Here's a heartwarming chicken soup that'll have you feeling better in no time. Start with some fresh chicken pieces. Add ginger, garlic, and a handful of spices like turmeric and black pepper. These are natural immunity boosters. Toss in some chopped onions, carrots, and tomatoes for that veggie goodness. Pour in water, bring to a boil, and let it simmer. In just 30 minutes, you'll have a nutritious, healing soup ready to serve. The best part, it's super easy to make, even when you're not feeling your best. So give it a try, and let this warm, comforting bowl of Indian chicken soup work its magic.